Alright, I've got this Cort Acoustic here today, and the customer wants to know if it can be brought back to life. As you can see, 2 of the tuner buttons are missing, so I can't really give it a good play test. But apart from that, structurally, it looks okay. So let's get it on the bench and have a closer look. Like I said, structurally, this guitar's in pretty good nick. A bit of a chip on the headstock, but that's about it. Definitely some questionable string winds in there, but we've all struggled with that at some point, I'm sure. And when you take a look at these, some are missing, some are broken. In some cases, with missing or broken tuner buttons, it can be a simple fix if you've got spare ones lying around. It's just a matter of undoing those little screws there and putting a new one on. In this case though, we're just going to replace the lot. So let's get these old ones off. The button has literally broken off and left the screw and washer in place. So these are the old ones, and this is what we're going to put on there. Boom, all done. They look great, so let's get on with the rest of it. Alright, we're back with the Cort Acoustic. Put some new tuners on it. Let's see how it sounds. Sounds alright. Now the only thing wrong with this guitar were the tuners themselves. A few were missing, a couple of the other ones were broken. But a set of $20 tuners from Amazon, this thing's good to go. I think when it comes to guitars and guitar repairs, sometimes issues that seem to be really big and scary aren't that big of a deal at all. You know, people might look at broken tuners on a guitar and say, well, this guitar's no good anymore. Where, as you've just seen, I've got these tuners for 20 bucks off Amazon, gave this guitar a setup, and this is a great guitar to play. So, time to get this one back to its owner.